Hello dear Akons, how are you? Do you remember what did you learn in your last science class? No problem, let's revise it. So you learnt about nature, you learnt about natural resources, you learnt about universe, and you learnt about earth. And all these things are made up of very small particles called atoms. Today we are going to learn something new. What do you see here? So you see wheat flour, salt, oil, and water. Can you guess what can we make out of all these things together? Yes, you guessed it right. We can make chapati out of this. When we mix all these items together and make it into a dough, we can roll nice chapatis, puris, or parathas. Okay? When you get grocery from outside, okay, you will notice that every packet or a bottle has ingredients written on it. So ingredients tell us what is that particular thing is made up of. Okay. For example, for chapati, we need all these ingredients, right? So these ingredients are the raw material and chapati is the finished product. So with so many raw materials, we made one item called chapati. Chapati is a finished product. Look at this. So you see cotton plants. So cotton is plucked and this is how it looks after it is plucked. It's a little dirty. And from this, it is turned into clean cotton. Then it is turned into yarn and then it is turned into a fabric. And this fabric is either dyed first or it is stitched into a t-shirt and then it is dyed into a different color. And for children like you, people put nice pictures so that you like it and your mummy has to buy it. Yeah. Let's go through few more examples of raw material and finished products. So if you want to eat yummy sambar, what will be the raw material for it? Definitely tur dal and then other spices and some vegetables. That will be the raw material. For yummy biryani, what will be the raw material? If we have to get yummy biryani as a finished product, what will be the raw material? Definitely rice and of course spices and vegetables will be the raw material. Okay. Now let's look at few more examples of raw material and finished products. So gold in raw form and then the finished products are bangles or some other jewelry. From jute, we get jute bags. From wood, we get wooden doors or furniture. So finished product is wooden door, raw material is wood. Now I want all of you to open page number 11 and we are going to read along. So you can pause the video if you have to grab your book. Okay, open page number 11. We are going to read the last paragraph. What does the earth give us? I hope you have your finger pointing to what I'm reading. Listen carefully and read along with me. We get resources like iron, rocks, gold, silver, and copper from the earth, from deep below the earth. We humans use these natural resources as raw materials and make things for our convenience and comfort. Next page, page number 12. What are the raw materials in a chapati? This I have already done with you. Let's read along. But what is raw material? Take an example of chapati that you eat. What ingredients are used to make it? We use wheat flour, water, salt, and maybe some oil. So, all the ingredients that are used for making chapati are the raw materials. Now look at one more example of how a natural resource is used for making things for our use. We grow cotton crops and make clothes for ourselves. Look at the picture below and see the journey of cotton to t-shirt or from raw material to the finished product. This is what I just showed you in the slides. Similarly, gold is used for making gold jewelry. Gold is found like a stone and then we people make it into bangles, chains and rings. So Icons, I want all of you to read this again and again and pause wherever you are unable to read. And if you hear it again and again, you will be able to read it fluently. Okay? Now let's move on to today's task. So today's task is you will open a fresh page, you will write date, day, and in the middle you are going to write raw materials used for lemonade are, and then you will list down all the ingredients which are used as raw material to make lemonade. So lemonade is your finished product and all the ingredients used in it are your raw materials. Okay, so this is your task. So I'll see you in the next class. Happy learning!